Next, I'm going to demo editing site data in the toolbox. And I use the same button to edit my site data as I do to add my site data. So from the new user's fast track form, I click on the Add Sites button if I want to edit any of my site data. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and make my form smaller. And just like with the personnel form, this opens up to a blank record because the toolbox is set to make it so that you're going to enter data into these forms. So it's set up to make that easy for you. So it opens up to a blank record when you open these forms. But since I want to edit data for an existing site that I've already entered into the toolbox, I use the navigation buttons on the bottom left-hand side of the screen to find the record I want to edit. So the record I want to edit is for site S98, and what I want to do is add my AQS site ID to that site because I've been working with my EPA regional liaison, and we have come to a decision on what the 4-digit AQS site ID is for that site. So I'm going to use the back arrow to begin navigating through these records. And we come to site S98, and we can see that the AQS site ID is blank. So I'm going to go ahead and tab over to that field. And the 4-digit site ID that my regional liaison and I decided on is 0002. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that. And since the AQS site ID, it's required to be 4 characters, and it has to be numbers. The toolbox does not allow you to enter any more than 4 characters, and it does not allow you to enter anything but numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and enter 0002. If I had another one I wanted to add the AQS site ID to, I could use the navigation buttons to navigate to that site as well. However, me and my EPA regional liaison are still working on establishing the AQS site ID for site S46, so I can't add that yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Save Site Data and Exit Data Entry button. And that takes me to the form I want to use the Exit Form button on. And now I'm back in the new user's fast track again.